What's up, online shoppers? The MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit using UV light and a great tasting mint gel is a really great at-home solution for getting your teeth whiter. Now, this one here comes in a kit. There are a total of 9 applications. Each of these syringes is going to give you 3 applications, both your top and your bottom teeth. All you have to do is take the cap off one of these, put on an applicator, take the top off, apply the gel on the inside here, on the inside there. Pop this in your mouth for 10 minutes. Take it out and enjoy the results. Super easy at-home application to whiten your teeth, and it's definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.